So yeah, let's continue. So it's a new day. So we have got it here. So I like her to like get her sword out, okay, and then maybe play around a little bit and then go back. I can use like a ping pong animation loop. I can get it back, but we have to like do it frame by frame. So for me, it's a really good practice. So what I'm gonna do is to maybe tilt her head like down a little bit. Okay, just down a little bit. The arm will almost be the same, but the arm is here and go left. So visually, it will just go longer. Okay, so here we've got like a turning point. So slightly go to the left, and the things is more sideways. Okay, so I'm sort of treating this as a 3D object, so a certain shape like this. Okay, and I have to consider the just wait a bit, just consider the perspective. So let's finish here. I have a I got a habit of making the object I'm going to draw while animating. I get fatter and fatter, looser and looser. I don't want that. I'm going to like modify this. So if you look at my previous frame, you can see. Let me just get rid of. Okay, so just the leg just gets fatter and fatter. Okay, and I don't know why I got the frame like this. What the heck? Okay, obviously there is some like a missing frame, and I don't know why. Okay, I'm going to quickly modify it. So sometimes the onion skin is a little bit annoying because it can, get rid of a lot of things that. And it sort of lose some sort of a detail. Okay, this should be deleted. So maybe it's like a Shift F5. Yeah, that's good. But hey, it's really strange. I suppose I. Yeah, I did some of the. I believe it's some of the movement of the left hand. Okay, I'm going to use lasso tool. Just get hold of here. I use this move tool. Okay, so V for move. Okay, I'm going to like drag it here, and can I just rotate it a little bit? For rotation, there's none. Can I just rotate a little bit? Okay, and I'm going to go to the brush mode. Okay, then will be the thumb. Okay. Oh yeah, I made a mistake. The hand should go thing like this. Should go this way, because if go this way, the thumb, the thumb as well as the hand, the palm should be like a perpendicular to the sword. If I don't do that, it become really weird because it will not hold up, because you need to grab this sword in order to get it out. Okay, so. Yeah, so the protection will be something here, and here the sword will be like this, and then maybe a hint of hand movements here, and there will be the cover of the sword. Okay. And I believe you can sort of bend the sword a little bit, so you don't need to be 100% correct during every frame. So for example, when she actually got the sword out, what I'm going to do is to right. So the anchor point should be the same. So if you think about this, almost the same, almost the same. Mainly is this part. Okay, so the lower part will. I'm going to so it will be like a wider because it's more to us. But here, I like to get lower. Okay, and it's like holding the sword. So yeah, this is what I learned recently. You need to like go separate part, and there will be the thumb. Okay. Oh, maybe I'm going to erase this part. Just too much. I like to show a sort of like holding sort of feeling. So there will be a sword like this, and then there will be some protect place like this. But if you draw this, the sword should go like straight up. But instead of go straight up, I'm sort of wanting to bend a little bit. Okay, and hopefully this will hold. Okay, because we want this to bend like this. So it's like a really quick bend. Then there will be the separation of the rest of the sword. Will be somewhere like this. Okay. Hopefully this will work. And there will be the shoulder part. This time the shoulder will go down like this. So be somewhere here, and just a sort of a hint of the hand. Okay, because it's like a holding this part of the sword, and things is like a moving. I'm going to add in some sort of hint. Okay, hopefully this will hold. I'm going to like modify her body bit by bit, because I believe I'm like making her like a bulkier than before, so I'm going to like gradually modify that. So let's see whether let's just play this to check whether this hold. Okay, so yeah, pretty good. Right, let's go to the next frame. F7, onion skin, and this time I'm going to make her like more straight and go to the left side. So the rest should be the same. Okay, and here on her hand to go more down. Okay, like a way down here, and then the body should approximately the same. I'm going to do all that really quickly here, but here I like the hand to go more down, so more down, way down. In fact, got something like that here. So it's like a grip position. So the sword be something like this. Okay, and still most of the sword will be showing out, but some will have like a effect like this. Okay, and so it'll be something like this. Okay, I believe yeah, like the top part should go like a really lagging sort of feeling. But just give it like a little bit hints of dragging the roots of the sword. And here, I believe all that can stay approximately the same. And her hand can go here a little bit, and it's still with the grabbing position. Yeah, so it's like this. So, sorry, wrong direction. So, maybe more like this, going here. Okay, and going down. And since it's going down, one side should be approximately the same. Okay, I'm going to bend it a little bit, and the next side should like do something like this, because it's moving really quickly. I want to add some drastic effect. Okay, and let's see the result. Okay, let me just get rid of the onion skin to see the result. Okay, again, pretty good. Let's continue. So the frame, I believe that I'm nearly at the end of the animation, because the sword is out, and the only thing that we're going to emphasize is that she holds the sword a little bit, so everything should be approximately the same. Okay. Maybe somewhere here. Still grabbing this. Okay, maybe change position. So I want this to be like clear. Okay. And here I like to approximately same position as before, but like just to hold it here a little bit. Okay. And yeah, I believe that's pretty much it. Let's see the result. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, I believe then I can like add ping pong, something like that. So we'll go back. But since I got like the trailing like this, it's, if you want to go back, just like flip this. So it should go this way rather than this way. So yeah, maybe I can't loop this. So you can't only go one way. So if I loop this, it's a little bit weird. Okay, so if you like go backwards, reverse is a little bit weird. So only go one way. But hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So yeah. So I'm going to continue to exercise drawing as well as animating, all that connected to art. Okay. Thanks for your time, and don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Bye.